Hey, this is Jason. Today we're gonna do front lever, and I'm at my friend's studio. So this is what we're doing. So these are the workouts. The first one is the front lever raises, your best progression. Second one, front lever negatives, best progression. Third, the static hold. Fourth is the L sit inverted hang. Yeah. So before we get started, we're gonna warm up. One of the warm-ups I like to do is hanging, activate chin-ups. So dead hang, activate chin-up. So this is E, he's doing front lever raises. So we're trying to do our best progression, do it. So aim for 4 to 6 reps. It's good.
OK的时候，我就会先 engage，然后再处理。
So preparation is key. You want to engage before you start. As you can see, mine, I have to bend my knees for the front lever raises. So we're on our second exercise, front lever negatives, max 1, and we're doing 4 sets also. So for me, my max front lever negative is right straddle bent knees. I'm gonna start with straddle and then come with bent knees. So this is the 4th set for the negatives, front lever negative. I've been trying to really come down slower if I can, but it's really hard. This is our 3rd exercise. Static 45-degree up and 45-degree down. Try to hold 5 seconds each. There you go. 5 seconds. I feel the decline part is the hardest part. For me, the static hold, I'm gonna try just to the tuck because it's really hard. So I do 45 hold, 5 seconds, and come down, 45.
Five, four, three, two, one.
So we're on our last exercise. L sit, inverted hang. So this is the fourth exercise. I'm gonna try and do the full range inverted deadlift. Oh shit! So I'm just going to do half the way now. Deadlift, reverse deadlift. So that concludes the workout. 4 exercises for the front lever progression. First one, your best progression for the front lever. Number 2, front lever negatives, your best progression. Number 3, front lever to 45 to 45 and 5-second hold on each. And the last one, number 4, is an inverted deadlift. I tried it full range and I just failed completely. My lats are completely gone. It's burning. Like, I feel, even though I can't do a full front lever, it's a great workout for your back because it's a pulling motion. It's totally different. Hope you liked it. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Peace.